Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopperguide.com and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, two food processor brands will be going head to head. We have the Ninja BN601 Professional Plus food processor and the Cuisinart DFP 14BC-NY custom food processor. From slicing fruits and vegetables, shredding cheese, pressing nuts and kneading dough, the list of kitchen skills to master seems like it's never ending. But don't forget that you can always get a tool that can serve as a helping hand. With food processors, you get heavy-duty slicers and mixers that'll help you spend more time savoring your homemade pizza and chatting with your friends. Before investing in any of the options you have in the market, let's first take a look at the features that you need to consider. And to help you decide quicker, we're putting the spotlight on two of our strongest contenders, the Ninja BN601 Professional Plus food processor and the Cuisinart DFP 14BC-NY custom food processor, which both take pride in their 5-badge ratings. Only one will reign in the end, so sit back, relax, and let's get into the brand wars. If you're interested in the other food processors that we reviewed, do check out our food processor review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So let's get to the battleground as we start today's brand wars. The first category that these food processors will be battling out with would be their motor and power. In general, any kitchen appliances with higher power should help you cut down your prep time from an hour to 15 minutes. Well, you can definitely expect this from the Ninja Professional Plus food processor's 1000-watt power. Labeled as a professional-grade motor, this unit sports power that can turn even the hardest ingredients into soft and smooth textures. So don't worry about using this to crush big almonds for your homemade brownie. On top of that, this is good news for anyone who might not enjoy sweet fruits, since you won't have to wait for them to ripen up and get tender just to mix or blend them. Running a bit behind, we have the Cuisinart Custom Food Processor, which packs a power of 720 watts. This is good for making many kinds of dips, from spicy hummus for your chips, guacamole for your wraps, and salsa for your tacos. Compared to Ninja, it might also help you save more on your electricity bills since it doesn't use as much power as Ninja does. But the difference won't be dramatic. In this round, we're giving the win to the Ninja Professional Plus food processor. Since it has more power, it is more reliable for tough ingredients, from raw carrots, radishes, and pears to candies, lollipops, and jawbreakers. You can also trust it to do its job in a much shorter time. The second category that these two brands will be battling out with would be their functions. Food processors are already helpful just for their motor performance, but if you get a model with pre-programmed settings, it can be a real lifesaver, especially for beginners. Because foods vary in consistency, these settings ensure that the strength and time are appropriate to achieve the desired texture. On one hand, we have the Ninja Professional Plus food processor parading its 4 versatile functions. With one touch of a button, you can quickly and easily chop vegetables, shred cheese, and prepare silky sauces from scratch. The 4 Auto IQ intelligent preset programs are chop, puree, dough, and disc with 3 speeds, low, high, and pulse, so each meal can serve different flavors and textures. On the other hand, the Cuisinart custom food processor is once again lagging with only on and off or pulse buttons, leading to inconsistent chopping, slicing, shredding, and grating. You can still get the texture you want though. You'll just have to rely more on your manual power and skills, so we can recommend it to seasoned chefs rather than beginners. For this bracket, the Ninja Professional Plus food processor earns another point for its versatile and dedicated programs that can help you prepare 5-star Michelin meals even as a beginner. The third category that these two brands will be battling out with would be their material and construction. The battle for achieving the right texture doesn't end with presets, because if the material and construction cannot sustain the power and settings, the unit might not be able to support your meal prep goals. An S-shaped blade for chopping is standard in all food processors, and the majority of full-size models additionally come with a few discs for grating or slicing. To chop delicate herbs and tough nuts evenly, grate cheese thoroughly, and slice vegetables precisely, you should search for blades and grating discs that are sharp out of the box and strong enough to stay sharp after years of use. To begin with, the Cuisinart Custom Food Processor features a Lexan bowl where you can place fruits, an extra large feed tube to make sure it can fit even big strawberries and half-sliced pears, and a small and big pusher bowl sleeve assembly. What really works the magic are the stainless steel chopping or mixing blade, medium shredding disc, and standard slicing disc with a size of 4mm, which chop nuts, knead dough, and slice even lump of frozen raw meat. This purchase also includes a spatula, a recipe book, and an instruction manual to guide beginners on their way to becoming master chefs. One disadvantage, however, is that the shredding and slicing blades are not adjustable, so it might be hard if you have a very specific cut you want to go for. It also makes it a bit difficult to clean up completely. Looking into the Ninja Professional Plus food processor, aside from slicing and shredding, you can use the detachable and adjustable grating discs for hard cheeses and aromatics like ginger, or the crinkle cut disc to create fun shapes for salads or homemade chips. Without worrying about melting your ingredients or leaving large uncooked pieces on top, it can cut ingredients quickly and consistently. The strong dough mixer also has the torque to quickly and evenly fold in ingredients, producing up to 2 pounds of dough in under 30 seconds. By carefully folding doughs and combining recipes, you can make everything from cookies and pies to pizzas, as well as crinkle-cut potato chips, grating cheese, shredding coleslaw, and slicing vegetables evenly. This round is a close one for our 2 contenders, but the Ninja Professional Plus food processor won us over with the detachable and adjustable components that make cutting more precise and cleaning a bit easier. The fourth category that these 2 brands will be battling out with would be their capacity. Originally, professional chefs favor food processors with capacities between 11 to 14 cups, which is the perfect range for the majority of at-home and beginner chefs. However, as fun and quick cooking challenges emerge, buying a big unit is not much of a necessity anymore. Though it's always ideal to go bigger than smaller, especially if you have a larger family or friend group. The Cuisinart custom food processor is shining in this league with its 2.63 to 14 cup capacity. The mini sizes with 2.63 and 7 cup capacities are good for thinly slicing an onion and zucchini. This is good for making finger foods like meat dumplings and homemade takoyaki. Meanwhile, whether you're chopping a small batch of garlic cloves or an entire bowl full of flavorings, the Ninja Professional Plus food processor's 9 or 12 cup processing bowl yields consistent results, making it perfect for big families and handling customers' requests. But keep in mind that Cuisinart also has 11 and 14 cup capacities, so you also have an option for making a big Asian slaw, pasta, and coleslaw salad bowl. The 2.63 and 14 cup capacity of the Cuisinart custom food processor gets the point for this one. With a wider range of capacity options, you can serve yourself as well as your family and friends. The fifth and final category that these 2 brands will be battling out with would be their ease of cleaning. How a processor is used and how safe you feel around it might differ significantly depending on how the bowl is put together. Bowls with fewer pieces and accessories, as well as bowls with fewer gaps and crevices between the parts, are easier to put together and clean. Fortunately, both of our contenders are dishwasher safe and BPA free, so you can just leave them in a dishwasher for a few hours and they won't spoil or damage your food or add harmful chemicals. You can simply pour some warm water and a couple of drops of dish soap to quickly clean the bowl and blades. If you want to be extra cautious, soak it in or fill it with hot water overnight. The key difference, though, is that the Cuisinart custom food processor's blades are not detachable, so it might not be easy to spot if they have calcium deposits or stuck fruit leftovers. Though the match is tight this round, the Ninja Professional Plus food processor has the upper hand with its construction as well as dishwasher-safe and BPA-free components that won't take much to maintain. We have arrived at the end of our brand wars between the Ninja BN601 Professional Plus food processor and the Cuisinart TFP14BC-NY custom food processor. From motor and power, function, material and construction, and ease of cleaning, the Ninja BN601 Professional Plus food processor proved itself worthy of its 5 badges, winning this battle with ease. However, if you're looking for an option that has a lot of capacity and you don't really mind a bit more wait time in cleaning, the Cuisinart TFP14BC-NY custom food processor is certainly worth considering. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Ninja BN601 Professional Plus food processor and the Cuisinart TFP14BC-NY custom food processor has finally ended. If you have any contenders for a next food processor face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchen great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.